Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a clean starting point, so close projects and save anything unsaved now. Back up your current settings using Export if you want a fallback. Once done, run Visual Studio as administrator to avoid permission hiccups, then open the Tools menu and choose Import and Export Settings. This kicks off the built-in wizard. It's the easiest route because it uses Visual Studio's own reset logic rather than guessing which files to delete. You'll see a prompt asking what to do with existing settings, save them or discard. Choose Save if you want a fallback, otherwise proceed. Next, select Reset All Settings and then pick a default environment profile like General or C# depending on your workflow. Make sure to read the profile descriptions. They configure tool windows, keyboard shortcuts, and default fonts. Once you confirm, Visual Studio applies defaults. This fixes many UI and configuration issues by restoring known good defaults. After the wizard finishes, restart Visual Studio so the changes take full effect. If extensions behaved oddly before, reinstall them after confirming the core UI is stable. Make sure to reapply any specific settings you need from your saved backup. If something still breaks, run the developer command prompt and execute devenv/reset settings or clear the MEF component cache. These commands reset deeper configuration caches. If that still fails, check the activity log, XML for errors, or recreate your profile as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.